unique to Caterpillar because Caterpillar doesn't do documentaries. We went to film Bernie as a 3-minute testimonial. And when we showed up, we thought, this guy has a bigger message. It's about hard work and doing the right thing. This will be the first time Cat customers see the documentary, and it's gonna be amazing to see their reaction and feel the inspiration in the room after it's over.
If you wanna experience something that's real, you gotta come to some place where it's real, and that'll be Alaska. It's so extreme.
I didn't know what to expect at first, but yeah, it kind of blew my mind, just what he had accomplished. When you've got a guy that didn't go to school, to be able to pull off what he did, and that self-sustainable energy is something that really interests me.
It all comes down to the same thing, ideas and a vision. Not everybody has that kind of vision to do what Bernie's done in Alaska of all places.
It's kind of bigger than life to see your dad up on the big screen. I think it's super inspirational because it is a story about hard work and how hard work can make you successful.
We are going to change the world, and Mike Rowe is going to help us get enough employees to take care of it.
Look, man, I think if we can get you out of your shell, there's really no telling how far things can go here.
It's always special getting to experience it with people who haven't seen it before and see reactions.
I know he's very quirky, and I think that keeps people engaged, but I hope what comes across is how much he loves his family and how much hard work can really make you successful in life.
Great job, Kat, for making it happen, for telling the stories, because the stories are all around us. The people up there, they look at the world a little differently. They solve problems a little differently. They respond to challenges a little differently.
I hope customers see themselves in Bernie. Our customers work so hard, and they're literally changing the world. I want them to feel proud about what they do.
This week at CONEXPO, we're really talking about that we have rebuild solutions for a lot of different machines that maybe historically those customers haven't thought about. They can rebuild that machine, put it back into the dirt.
I think that the message and the theme here is that, you know, you can accomplish anything if you put your mind to it. Bernie Karl, every time he said he was going to do something, he did it.
It gives a little bit of hope to hear people like these guys speak.
Bernie said it right.
The best thing people can take away is a little piece of Bernie's indomitable spirit. The idea that nothing is impossible.
There's no secret sauce here, no secret magic. My dad taught every kid to read, and he taught us math. So if you can read and do math, there's nothing you can't do. Everyone in this room gets to change the world.